Uh-oh. 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 Shit. We got water right there. Vlogtober! Vlogtober! Well, happy Sunday. It's October 1st, 2023. Yay! Vlogtober is where we do a daily... Because the microphone, I'm covering it up. Well, here, you can record me then. YouTubers post a daily vlog, Casey Neistat style, every day in the month of October. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We're headed to Biscuitville to get some breakfast. And then we have to go home and shoot another vlog. I have to get some editing done. Our YouTubers are posting some big premieres today, so we gotta check those out. We're gonna do some van work. There isn't gonna be like any specific question that we're trying to answer in these vlogs. These are just daily vlogs. I want food. That is all. Go back to your regular broadcasting providers. Morning. Did you want that mac and cheese biscuit, bacon, egg and cheese, large orange juice? You all set? Have a good day. Thanks. I got the 12-year-olds out here working the drive-through. It ain't even a drive-through. It's a... You don't get to the... That's the biggest gripe. The menu is here. You order back there. So I don't... What if I didn't know what I wanted? Aaron didn't want to say it. So if there's something specific you guys want to see from us this month, whether it be related to travel or van life, leave us a comment down below. Some stuff that you would be interested in seeing from us this month. Some stuff that we've got in the works. We've still got some videos left from the Grand Canyon that we haven't posted. We've got our Colorado trip where we rode the car railway up to Pikes Peak in 20 days. 19, well, no, the 20th, so it's 20 days. Today's the first. Okay, so in 19 days, we're going on a cruise, Margaritaville at sea out of West Palm Beach, Florida. So that's coming up. My birthday. Great, thank you. Food acquired. Now home, because I gotta pee. Aaron got this mac and cheese biscuit from Biscuitville. What's it about? I don't know. Pulled pork and mac and cheese. Good stuff. Highly recommend. Becky and Chris are getting ready to start their premiere of their new series, Heading West. So we're gonna eat this Biscuitville real quick and we're gonna watch their live stream. We're so excited. Okay, Becky and Chris's premiere is over. It was so good. Aaron's still laying in the floor relaxing. It's what I do. One of the things that we've been doing the last couple of days is we installed this flare. So we cut a big hole and we need to take the tape off of that. Whew, all right. So Bill, Linda and Bill, when you watched this video, you had asked, made a comment on our Facebook post about installing it on the inside. If you see the construction of the way the inside of the van is, there's really no way that this lip, even though this lip goes all the way around, you know, this is designed to be on the outside and then it's color matched. It's painted and color matched to the rest of the vehicle. Clearly, we need to paint. Aaron and Todd, subscribe. And you notice that it's considerably deeper on this side than the passenger side. Is much more shallow. This one we actually have the window installed. But this one is more shallow because, see, it doesn't come out as far because the sliding door. When you open the sliding door, you have to have clearance back there. Will the camera get in there? Yeah, you have to have clearance for the door to slide all the way back. It's what, ½ an inch of clearance there. And that goes there. And then the door comes all the way back. So now the door is all the way open. So on this side, we can do the same thing, but we're gonna have to order a different stopper. And I'll show you what I mean. So this just latches back in there. When we open the door this way, so you've got, that's a magnet and that's a magnet. And so they bump up on each other. But when we get just, see, we got, see, yeah, there's gonna be a piece of glass there. We're gonna have a window here. And so it's just ever so slightly not touching. So we're gonna order a bigger one of these, one that comes out further to make up the gap, because we don't want it to be resting on the flare. So yeah, van projects. And so what we will do is we've got some foam and some fabric that go on this. So I'm gonna have to take, this window is just some screws, and then the two sides come together. We're gonna take this window back out. I'm gonna put the fabric in, spray it with that 3M adhesive, put the foam in, put the fabric on, and then there's a trim ring that goes around the whole thing. This is just the tape. Can I get it? Can I get it? God. Okay, well, I ain't trying to rip nothing off. But yeah, you can really see here, 6 inches, and it tapers, and this one's 3 inches, and then it tapers. But yeah, we got a good seal. We got a good seal inside. It's kind of squished out all the way around, so I don't think we're gonna have any issues with water. Of course, we can't water test until we get the window put in, but we water tested that window and there was no issue. So fingers crossed, because we have a deadline. We are going to Boston the first week of December for James and Nicole's wedding, and we're driving this van, so we've got to get it. We've got to get the bed put in so we have somewhere to sleep. Vlogtober. God, am I gonna be able to do this for a whole month? Should be fun though. So I think what we may do is actually get the foam and cut it and put it in this window today. We're gonna have to get, when's it gonna rain? We're gonna have to, okay, let's see. Hold it up and make sure that this height is sufficient. All right, we got one side. All right, guys, so we're gonna end day one right here because I don't want these daily vlogs to be too long, like, you know, 12 to 17 minutes. I want them to be like under 10 minutes long. So we ended up getting the upholstery put in, the fabric put on, the window put in, and then Aaron went to a concert in Charlottesville with his sister and Michael. I water tested and we have a leak. So I spent several hours getting that fixed. So we're gonna save for tomorrow's vlog, we're gonna save the installation of the upholstery, the fabric, and the window. It looked really good until I sprayed it with the water hose, but can't have water. I think we've nipped it in the bud. We gotta tighten up the window a little bit, I think. But so yeah, we're gonna end it here, and tomorrow's vlog will be that. Come spend 30 days with us, y'all. I have no idea what we're doing. We're just daily vlogging it. This is what we're doing. We're going to work. We're doing our normal 9-to-5 jobs. We're coming home. We're doing things. I'm editing. We're working on the van. We've got some trips coming up. And we've got a big announcement on the 25th of October. So stay tuned for some details about that. You know the deal. Hit the like button on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're so inclined. And hit the bell to get notified when we upload new content. We'll see you tomorrow.